Move over, all you other salad munchers, because Miley Cyrus has been named the sexiest vegetarian of 2015. PETA has bestowed Miley with their annual honor due to her dedication to eating lots of salads and, of course, her dedication to animal rights. PETA officially announced Miley as this year's recipient on their website, saying after hearing the heart-wrenching song written for her beloved blowfish and reading about her unflinching dedication to animal rights and her decision to go vegan, PETA knew that Miley Cyrus isn't just any sexy vegetarian celebrity, she's the sexiest vegetarian celebrity of 2015. And by blowfish, the organization is referring to a song that Miley emotionally performed dedicated to her deceased old friend who happens to be a blowfish. To give you a taste of the emotional impact of the song, some of the lyrics said, "On Saturday night we all went out to eat, but I can never decide, so someone chose sushi. I got soup and I ordered rice, but watching my friends eat my friends ruined my appetite." Well, when you put it that way, it is so depressing. Miley joins the list of past recipients of the title, including Ellen Page, Olivia Wilde, Jessica Chastain, Jared Leto, and Woody Harrelson. Miley has documented her plant-based lifestyle on Instagram with a savory snapshot of some leafy grub with the caption, "The luxurious life of a vegetarian in LA. So many good plants, fruits, veggies to eat. You ain't gotta eat dead animals. Everything that goes into my body is alive to keep me alive." You know what? Good for Miley. And as a side note, if you eat steak like I do, you're not a terrible person. Everybody's got their own thing. But what do you think of Miley being named this year's sexiest vegetarian? Sound off in the comments section below. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, of course, and then also click in this box right here to check out a rundown of all the celebrities who've dissed Miley Cyrus. It's so not nice. Everybody's a critic. Thanks for watching Clevver. I'm Erin Robinson, and I'll see you next time. Click to the left to check out 4 ways you can curl your eyelashes, or click to the right for ways to get your mermaid on with some temporary hair dye.